Hello, I'm Kelly Saraceno, and I'll be your host for this exciting online course focused on one of the largest plant families in the world, the Orchidaceae. Together, we'll go behind the scenes at Longwood Gardens to meet and learn from our experts, including our display designer, Jim Sutton, whose vision and direction brings our annual Orchid Extravaganza display to life, and Greg Griffiths, our orchid grower, who's responsible for ensuring we have gorgeous orchids on display 365 days of the year. Whether you're new to the world of orchids or have been growing orchids for years, this course will give you valuable information on how to get started and tips to elevate your collection. You'll learn what makes an orchid, the culture and care needed to grow them in perfection, and see their use in design. We'll also explore 15 different genera that represent some of the most fascinating orchids, many of which you can grow in your own home or landscape. Finally, we'll also introduce you to some of the efforts underway to conserve imperiled orchids and the cutting-edge technology being used to establish new orchid populations. For nearly a century, Longwood Gardens has been fascinated by the diverse world of orchids, and we hope to inspire you as well. From Phalaenopsis to Cattleyas and Dizas to Spiranthes, we hope you find this course exciting and educational.